What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for tuning in today. If you are new to my channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Hit that red subscribe button down below. My name is Bree, and today I'm going to show you guys my dream car. Guys, I'm so excited. I hope this is not misinterpreted for bragging, because I'm just excited about my new car, and I just want to show you guys what I got and what it looks like. So if you want to see that, I want you to continue to keep on watching.
Perfect.
Okay guys, so I got the Mercedes-Benz C300, which is Mercedes economy-friendly car. This is what it looks like on the inside. I'm very pleased with it. It is a push to start, so I'm going to go ahead and start it up for you guys. So to start a car up, you have to have your foot on the brake, and you just press the button. And it starts up like that. So if you want to come on closer to the inside, I have a screen right here, which is controlled by these two panels here. It also has controls here. Everything in this car is pretty much digital. Everything has a control to let the steering wheel up and down. Everything is completely digital in this car. The sunroof is beautiful, guys. Let me just show you guys what that looks like. So guys, I'm absolutely in love with my sunroof. I'm in love with the car. The speakers, guys, when I say the speakers got that bass, they got that bass. And I'll show you a little taste. Alright, we don't want to get copywritten, so. Okay guys, so like I said, everything in this car is like digital or automatic. I've never had a car so high tech. So in this car, inside of here, you have a part for your cup holders to put your charger here, and you also, if you press this button here, you also have, I have my headphones in here what I work out with, but you also can charge two phones with these two outlets here, USB cords. And this right here is a touchscreen pad to control your radio and the phone and all that. Everything is like, you can use your one hand with everything this down here. So I absolutely love that about the car. And yeah guys, and so just the seats, you have these things right here to push your seat up and down. Even the headrest, let me show you guys. I'll just show you guys the headrest real quick. Isn't that cool? So yeah, like I said guys, everything in here is digital. We have heated seats. The back is beautiful. I'll give you guys a little footage of the back seat just so you guys can see what it looks like. It's not much going on back there, but I'll show you what, guys. Okay guys, so this is what the outside of my car looks like. This is the back, and like I said, it's a C300 Mercedes-Benz, and I just love the way it kind of curves. It just looks like a female car to me. I've always wanted this, and I hope you guys like the color, because actually I don't care if anybody else likes it. I love the color. I always wanted the steel gray, so that's the color that I got. I love the LED brake lights and reverse lights that it has, and I guess I'll open up the trunk for you guys. So that's how you open the trunk. I have my work stuff in there. Don't mind it. I had this car for about a week, so I have been driving it. But this is what the trunk looks like. Very spacious. It actually came with a first aid kit, which was very new to me. My Chevy did not come with that. But yeah, I thought that was pretty cool. So yeah guys, I don't know what size rims I have, but it did come with some stock rims. I don't know what size they are, but they are beautiful. I love them. So this is just the aesthetics of the car. I just love the way it's shaped, the way it looks. And I'll show you guys the front, which is my favorite part of the car, is the Mercedes-Benz emblem. I specifically chose to get the emblem that is embedded into the car. I don't like the emblem that stands up from the car. I love the one that's embedded. It just looks so aesthetically pleasing to me. I mean, I don't know, I absolutely love it. So, and it also has another Mercedes-Benz logo right here with the blue. It says Mercedes-Benz, and guys, I just love this car. I'm like absolutely in love. I couldn't have asked for more. Okay guys, this is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. It's very short. I just want to show you guys my new car and what I got. I'm not a car guru. I don't know that much about cars, but I know what's pleasing to my eyes. So I wanted to show you guys what I got. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, share it, and make sure you subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already, and check out some other videos I'm going to link on either side. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.